Hello guys, welcome to Mika's Toybox. Today we'll be reading Piglet Has the Sniffles. One day, Winnie the Pooh stopped to visit Piglet. He found his friend in bed with the sniffles. "I'll go get you some honey," said Pooh. "Honey always makes me feel better." Pooh went home and took down a large honey pot from his shelf. On the way back to Piglet's house, Pooh Rabbit was in his garden. When Rabbit heard about Piglet's sniffles, he went into his house and brought out a covered dish. "My vegetable soup will cure any cold," Rabbit boasted. What does boasted mean?
It's kind of like a brag. Do you know what a brag is?
Yeah. "Please take this soup to Piglet." Pooh passed by Kanga's house. Kanga was sorry to hear that Piglet had the sniffles. "Please take some of my blueberry muffins with you," she said. "Then they always make Roo feel better when he has the sniffles." Poor Pooh. His load was getting heavier and heavier, and he was getting
Hungrier.
And hungrier. I don't know what I'm doing. Uh-oh. Just then, Owl flew by. Rabbit told me that Piglet was feeling well. That Piglet wasn't feeling well. He said, "In my opinion, a pot of raspberry tea will make Piglet feel better in no time at all." Oh no. Of course. Pooh couldn't carry another thing and his tummy was getting awful rumbly. "Oh bother, I have to leave something behind," he said. Poor Pooh put the honey pot down. "That's better," he said, "but it's so sad to leave this honey all by itself." And so he ate it all up. Before long, Pooh arrived at Piglet's house and put all of the food on a tray. "Oh, thank you, Pooh," said Piglet, "but where's the honey?" Pooh explained that I had to leave the honey pot behind. "That's all right," Piglet said with a laugh. "I'm sure the soup, muffins, and tea will make me feel much better." "You're a good friend, Pooh." The end. Thank you guys for watching Mika's Toybox. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.